So the second fader I dedicated to gain, so you can have an silence, and the knob above the fader, I want to have that. Well, it could be anything, but for now I think the random slightly Marco effect of is psychologically probably the best combination with that fader. So now I'm cloning it to the kk. Let's see what he has. He doesn't have a... Does he have a random? Let's see. Grain, yes. Grain variation, yes. Don't touch. Well, don't do it. Long. What comes close there? Density. I think actually grain variation. Well, where is he going? He doesn't need... He needs a maximum 100 there. There you go. Yeah, that's okay. But actually, you have grain length and grain variation. Okay, but alright, well, let's move on to the third fader. I think, well, pitch would be nice, I guess. I think it's going to be 5. Nope. 25 then, dude. Minus 25 then. A little less, I think. 20 would be... I mean... Ooh, sorry about that. I mean, the smaller the amount, the more precise you can be. Okay, clone that one. Yes. Ooh. do have a few conflicts. We do have a few conflicts here. I think kk needs to have more. Can be a bit more extreme. Yeah. Now let me see. I think gg.rainer has a pitch variation which is very nice. Where are you? Pitch randomness, I think it was. No? Yes, there it is. And I think we need about... How much was it? 3 is the max. Yeah. So 3 it is. Do we have a minus 3? No, 9, I don't think so. Okay. Let's see what the equivalent is on the kk. No, not much here. Pitch list. Oh, thank you. I like. How much can you handle? Let me hear 15. Well, yesterday, okay, yeah, well, could be.